Hi, this is Greg from ZE Partner. Today, I'm doing a quick video to show you how ZE Portal login and register works. So you can see here that I am on the portal for Acme Accountancy. This is just zeportal.net/Acme Accountancy. You can point your own domain. So it could be clientportal.yourdomain.com, for example, and you could point that to this page. So now your users just come in and they insert their email address and click next. But in this case, it's found that I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset my password, and then this will show you the exact process that the user goes through when they're signing up. So it says reset password requested. Please check your email. So now I've been emailed this link, and now it asks me to set a password. So I'm just going to set a new password. There we go, and click next. And now I'm logged in. So now I can see that I have two portals here. At the moment, my invoices don't load up, but as soon as I enter one of my portals, it'll then attach me to a specific account and show me the invoices for that account. So for example, if we go into this completed portal, this portal is linked to a deal. And what the system's doing is it's looking up whether I selected in my portal template to show this person invoices, and it can see that I did want to show this person invoices that were linked to the account of the deal. So now when I go back to my portals page, I can now see those invoices. I can also see my Zoho sign requests. I can go into my other portal, and here this portal is still live, and in here I can respond to these items directly just through my login. And at any point, I can go back to view portals. And it's as simple as that. So I can just log out, and then there we go. I'm ready to go for my next login. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks a lot.